iOS 17 has been out for a little while now. You can actually turn your photos into stickers. There are many different videos on this topic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your photos into stickers inside the Messages app. You can apply effects to your stickers. I'm going to show you how to apply different effects to the same sticker. As of right now, there's no way to save a sticker that somebody sends to you in the Messages app. I will show you a workaround which will allow you to save the sticker and then add the same effect so that you can add the sticker to your personal sticker collection. Let's begin by creating these two stickers you see on screen right now. In the Messages app, tap the plus sign and then tap Stickers. You'll see this panel. Tap the plus sign, which will bring up a photo selector. Once you see all of your photos, just select a photo that you want to use to make a sticker. I'll start with this one here. Tap on the photo and it will outline the subject. Tap Add Sticker and it will add it to your stickers panel. Then tap on Add Effect and you can add one of these 5 effects. You can only add one effect to each sticker. If you want to add multiple effects to the same sticker, keep watching and I'll show you how to do that later. Once you've selected the effect that you want to use, in this case the comic effect, tap on Done and then repeat the first 2 steps to create another sticker. Select your photo one more time, then tap on Add Sticker. Once your new sticker has been added to your sticker panel, you can tap on Add Effect and add one of these 5 effects. The comic effect actually looks good for these pictures, so I'm going to add the comic effect to this sticker as well. Tap the effect you want to choose it and then tap Done. Your new sticker will be added to your sticker panel. To send the sticker in Messages, just tap on the sticker to select it. Of course, you can pinch to resize the sticker and move it around. If you want to delete a sticker, just select a sticker, hold it, and then tap Delete. You'll get that neat effect. It looks like a puff of smoke. Tap the plus sign and tap Stickers one more time. You might be wondering what happens if you want to add multiple effects to the same sticker. To do this, you'll need to create multiple copies of the same sticker and then add your desired effect. I will add the puffy effect to this sticker. Tap Done and it will add your new sticker to your sticker panel. To add a second effect to that same sticker, tap the plus sign one more time and then select that same photo to make another copy of that sticker. Tap Add Sticker once more. Your new sticker will be added to your sticker panel. Then choose your effect from the effects panel. On this second sticker, I want to use the shiny effect. Tap Done and your new sticker will be added to your sticker panel. To send the sticker, just tap on it and hit the Send button. You can also long press and drag the sticker up into the conversation. Once the sticker is sent, you'll see the delivered text appear underneath your last message, as well as a red receipt. Here's a sticker that I received from somebody that I want to save and recreate. This was made using a picture of me. It's an older picture, but I like it. Stickers are essentially photos that have been shrunk down, and these small photos have effects applied to them. There is no way to save a sticker to your sticker collection by long pressing on it and tapping Save. But you can save the photo. You are not able to duplicate stickers either. So you'll need to follow this process if you want to save and duplicate a sticker. Here I've received a new sticker that I want to save and add to my sticker collection. I'll long press and hold on the sticker that I just received. It will enlarge the photo like this. You can see that stickers are just photos with effects applied to them. Start by taking a screenshot of the photo like this and crop it so that just the photo is visible. Tap the screenshot editor before it goes away and crop the photo using the crop handles like this. Tap on Done, and then tap Save to Photos to save it to your camera roll. You can turn it into a sticker in your own sticker collection. Simply access the photo that you just saved by opening your Photos album. There's the photo that I just saved. Long press on it, and you get a new option that says Add Sticker. Tap on Add Sticker, and then it will be added to your sticker panel. Once you tap on Add Effect, you can add any effect you like, either the same one or a different one. When you tap on Done, this sticker will be added to your stickers panel, and you can send it to anyone you like. Watch this video recommended by YouTube. This playlist contains more tutorials just like this one. Don't forget to tap on the notification bell once you've subscribed so you're notified when I upload a new video. Join me next time.